I'm Siddhu Dahal, honorary student of Agriculture and Forest University, Nepal. This video is a part of application to join the USAID Asia Regional Connection Program. I have seen many farming communities suffer due to ineffective way of farming. That's why I have always wanted to be a change maker in agriculture. I am now literally 100 miles away from my home. I have come here to study agriculture. While pursuing a dream, distance doesn't matter. Anyways, frankly speaking, I am here only because of my stubbornness to fulfill my wish to become an agriculturist. Nothing would have stopped me from pursuing career in agriculture because agriculture is my passion. I want to see every farmer adopt a better way of farming and live a satisfied life. I want to see my country self-sustain in agriculture. I have always wanted to see farmers get the kind of respect they deserve. I love to interact with farmers and listen to their experience. I want to live among farmers, regarded as one of them, but a more skilled and who not only process seed but creates and disseminates knowledge. Talking about the courses, well, I enjoy being in the field and fortunately, field-based practicals is at the heart of the courses of AFU. Especially the practical portion of the course has helped me to gain hand-on experience with farming as a whole. AFU has always encouraged students to learn through experience, and I think that's the most important part because what really matters is how much knowledge you take from the college and not the grades. Last part of Asian farmers are smallholders. I would like to solve the smallholder farming by sharing and communicating the knowledge about existing technology. I want to work as an extension staff and serve especially the underprivileged farmer to minimize the existing communication gap between farmers and researchers. If selected, I wish to learn experience of working with farmers of different background, different custom and tradition. To work with farmers in their own field would be an amazing experience. Through Syngenta Connection program, I wish to learn way of farming along with the different beliefs of farmers from different countries. I want to gain insight of how the farming operates in the foreign country. More than anything, I want to introduce productive technique back in my country. Moreover, I really want to show how we do farming in Nepal. I want to share my own knowledge with them, my belief, my custom and tradition. I hope not just to listen but to engage with community and to tell them our way of farming. I will sow the seed of knowledge that I will take back home from this program. I will integrate and communicate this learning experience during any of my future program. During my career, I want to deliver the knowledge I will get from this program to every place I will work as an agriculturist. I will share among farmers how other countries do farming. As I will be representing the agriculture community of Nepal, I will not take this opportunity for granted. I will make the best use of my experience while participating in any of my future programs.